The question is, the zeros of this quadratic polynomial are what? Both positive, both negative, one positive, one negative, or both equal. So if I write this the standard quadratic polynomial like ax squared plus bx plus c, from here I can compare and say that a is what? A is 1, b is 99, and c from here is 127. Now, if I consider alpha and beta are the zeros, alpha and beta. So let's find out the sum of these zeros. If I find the sum of these zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to what? That is minus b over a. Now, from the values obtained, minus b, that means minus 99 over 1. And similarly, if I get the product of the zeros, it is coming c over a. And the product of the zeros, if you look into this, it's 127 over 1. So now you can see that here the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros both are compared. Let's say if I compare this, what you can see that two numbers whose sum is negative, but the product is positive. So this is the only case when both is negative. Like when you take two negative number and if you add them, two different negative number, you add them, you get a negative number. But when you multiply these two negative number, we get a positive number. And that is the reason we should say that since the sum is negative and the product is positive, then both has to be negative. So this should be the correct answer.